boy. So Dalton is about to start his new HKS downpipe on it. I mean, catback on it. He just installed it. He's about to start it up. I'm ready. Go ahead. Oh yeah.
Dude, it's so quiet.
Yeah, but it sounds good though.
Yeah.
It's getting louder.
And I'm full catless.
It's pretty quiet, like you said. I mean, I like it. It sounds good, bro. I like it.
Can I do a 5K rip?
Yeah. Bro, it sounds good. I'm sure it's one of those exhausts that when you get on it, that's when you hear it.
Oh yeah.
That's how I like my exhaust.
It sounds good. I think it sounds good.
I like it. It's decent. It's really decent. And you have a downpipe, I mean a catalytic downpipe, and it's still like perfect.
Yeah, it's like perfectly quiet.
I love it, bro. That's exactly how I want my shit to sound. Literally. Maybe if you take it for a ride and you rip on it, you might hear it better.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go underneath and check the leaks.
All right. Hell yeah, bro. So this is called the HKS cat back. I guess front pipe back on the Type R, and I think it sounds good. I don't know if he's disappointed or he's happy about it. Are you disappointed or are you happy about it, bro?
No, it's just like it was just so. I heard videos.
Yeah, and it was
sounds so
loud.
Loud. But like I'm glad it's kind of like tame.
Yeah.
It was literally just like even before when I had my full straight pipe, like when we went to Virginia.
Yeah.
Like that was like loud.
It was loud. On a highway, it was loud.
Yeah.
It was really loud.
But there's no leaks.
Hell yeah.
You get a startup.
Alright, so I'm about to start up the car and he can hear from the back. Dang, these seats are fucking awesome, bro. I want a Type R so bad.
I just got these all fully done.
Are you ready?
And we're gonna do a startup.
Yo, look at that.
Oh, it sounds so like fine. It sounds so good.
Like, look at the screen on this. That was $4,000, bro.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that shit sounds good. I love it, bro. I love it.
You can actually hear my intake now.
No, let me hear it. Yeah, I hear it. Yeah, I hear it. Ooh, I never saw this one. I remember when you had a stock one with just a filter on it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that one. Hell yeah. I want to Type. Every time I see you in Code, I want to Type R so bad. But it's too pricey for me right now, bro.
Yeah.
Well, you have a blow valve on this.
No, it's just a regular stock one, and then it gets, because of the way the filter designed, you can actually hear it a lot better.
Yeah, yeah. Hell yeah, that's so sick. So, did they make upgrades for these things or not?
They do, but I want to get the HKS one, which is here, on this charge pipe.
Oh, okay.
Like
yeah.
Right there.
So to the cold side, like, okay.
Yeah.
Is it gonna be in the cold side or the hot side?
Cold side.
Okay, sweet. Hell yeah. My shit sounds good. I kinda got on it.
Yeah.
Like 3 pounds of boost. That shit sounded good. Hell yeah. I was mad excited for that shit. Hell yeah. I wanted to rip through the gear so bad, but I'm like, I gotta take my time with the clutch and stuff like that, you know?
Yeah.
And I don't fucking, what you call it, burn the clutch.
Definitely. So tomorrow I want to go get some like. So I did a little bit of clips like here and there, like just for myself. I want to go tomorrow and like get some like actual like startups tools. Yeah. And I mean, we can go. I want to go test drive it now.
Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Fuck it. Yo. Bro, this shit is sick. I want it. I need to get a Type R, bro.
How do you like the shifter?
Yeah, bro, it feels way better than mine.
It's tight.
It is tight.
Maybe whole way over and down.
Whole way to the left or right?
You're right.
My right? Okay.
That's reverse.
Alright, so Dalton is gonna let me back up his Type R. This is fucking insane. Woohoo. Where's the e-brake at?
Right there.
Okay, I see it.
Push it down.
Dalton is crazy for letting me sit in his fucking car and back it out of his garage. He's nuts. Bro, I want to Type R so bad. Like, God, this thing feels good. Let me give his car back to him before I get in trouble. This thing is sick. I need a Type R for real, for real. I need to get that Instagram photo, you hear me? Yo, this exhaust sounds insane. I like it. Like, what?
You gotta get it warm.
It's not even... I don't even know what to say. Like, it doesn't sound like a regular Type R exhaust, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it sounds good.
It sounds pretty good. I mean, you had it really loud in Virginia.
Oh, yeah.
Like, when you pulled up next to me, my car went quiet. And now I'm about to go. I think this is going to be louder than the exhaust I'm going to get, though. I don't know. And the only thing I don't like about YouTube exhaust stuff is because people will have their mics so high, or they'll rev up the mic. You know what I'm saying? And when you hear it on YouTube, like, okay, it sounds so loud or it sounds so quiet. But then when you hear it in person, that's why anytime I buy an exhaust, I want to hear it in person before I even buy it.
Yeah.
That's how I've always been. This thing is sick, though. Yo, the Type R is sick.
That sounds good.
It does sound good. That's what I'm saying.
It has like a really refined note. Can't wait to go through the tunnel up there.
What tunnel?
So like the bridge tunnel up here on 30.
Oh, you're going straight? I thought you were about to go to
No, I'm gonna
Central.
go Oh yeah, we go Central.
Yeah, go over there instead. You can do a job out there.
Yeah.
This shit is quick though.
Yeah, 400 wheel.
400 wheel?
Yeah.
On stock turbo?
Yeah.
Holy shit! No way. I want a Type R now. You could literally slap a turbo on this shit and you'd be at 5 something.
And that's not even, I don't even have ethanol on it yet. And that's on 93.
That's 93?
Yeah.
And it's 400 wheel.
Yeah.
So ethanol is probably at 430, 4 something.
Probably, but I ran out of direct injection pump, so.
What the fuck? 400 wheel horsepower in the Type R?
Which turn is it?
It's the next one coming up. I always like the I like the design, especially the wing in the back. Like, look at that shit, yo. That thing look crazy. And the interior is just like, it's more than what you're paying for. I feel like. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Interior,
Well,
like,
I mean,
look at the seats. I mean,
you could buy a Civic Sport for the same price almost.
For real?
Yeah, it's like 30-some thousand, like after everything.
Look at my reaction. Yo, this thing is quick. Holy shit. Bro, this car just smiles like, okay, wow. That bitch is fast.
Yeah.
That bitch is fast. Don't underestimate these cars, bro. Like, don't at all. Yeah, that thing sounds good. God damn. And it's stock?
Yeah.
And that's how it sounds stock though?
Yeah.
That said, that's sick.
It sounds like that because of how that intake is.
Oh, okay.
Like they do it a little bit, like when you start to put different intakes on them.
Yeah.
But like once you go to a full high volume intake, it sounds crazy.
It sounds crazy, yeah. Yeah, but these cars, the intake that come on it is pretty good already.
Yeah,
because it's made out of aluminum or whatever it's made out of.
No, it's still plastic.
It's still plastic?
Yeah, but it actually flows really well.
Oh, that's good then. Okay. Okay. It's still sick.
So yeah, stock airbox I made 370 wheel.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Which is a tune.
Yeah, tune and a downpipe.
And a downpipe. God.
Yep.
Yo, these cars were just built to be fucking fast.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
they definitely can like make a lot of power.
Yeah.
But I mean, yeah, and it's front wheel drive, so I mean, it's kind of hard unless you're doing drag racing.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to get the power down.
Yeah, because I like road race.
traction though? Like getting traction, is it hard on these cars or?
When I have my other, like these are my all season, so they brake traction a little bit easier. But like my other tires in the summer, like I get pretty good traction. Yeah. You have to like really, really push it for it to, like it'll do a 1-2 like, and it'll break loose. And but like after that, when you're on back roads, you have to really push it for it to break loose.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Hell yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick 15-10 minutes video. You guys like, subscribe, and share. You got your channel?
It's just Slow Boy Garage.
His channel is Slow Boy Garage, and that's his YouTube, his Instagram too.
My Instagram's Paradox White.
Paradox White.
Yeah.
Oh. But when I look you up,
it says Slow Boy. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. His Instagram is Paradox White, and his I'll tag his Instagram and everything down there, and his YouTube and everything. You guys go give him a little sub. You know what I mean? He got 5 different cars that he's gonna be putting on his channel. He got a FRS, Jeep. He got the Type R, so many other cars that he got, you know what I mean? And he knows a lot about cars than me, so if you go watch his channel, you definitely be learning something, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and go give my man a sub, and thanks for watching.